Okay, this is a film about a paraffin blow lamp. In particular, this Monitor 26 paraffin, made in England. Don't know when it was made. Basically, what we've got here is a pressurized or potentially pressurized container with liquid paraffin fuel in. The pressure is supplied by this plunger, which applies air pressure on top of the paraffin. What then happens is that you've basically got a curly straw. The top half that you can see there goes to the bottom. The curly straw comes up, goes around this chamber here, and then comes back to the back where there's a jet, which is essentially just a pinprick of a hole, and that blows what is now gas paraffin through the centre of the torch, out through the orifice where it burns, creating a draft which then intensifies the flame. Now at this point the paraffin is a liquid, but when it gets to the jet it's a gas, and how it does that is because this curly straw thing here is actually in the flame and in the heat. So the paraffin comes up here, vaporizes into a gas, is fed through the jet as a gas and burns. So we pressurize the tank with the plunger, but we've also got a gas release here, and that's actually very important, very critical, not only to the operation but the safe operation of this device. This is just the filler cap, which is nice and tight. So we've got plenty of paraffin in there. Okay, so if the heat here vaporizes the paraffin and the paraffin then keeps the vaporizing going, well, how do we create the initial vaporization? And the answer is that we use I'm going to try and do this in one shot. I might fail, but here we go. So what we do is this well, it's here. Make sure that the pressure release is released, because if not you end up with a squirt of paraffin coming out of here, and although it looks very dramatic and exciting, it could be quite dangerous, and I don't want that to happen. Right, so now set fire to the methylated spirits. One. There she goes. It probably doesn't come up very well on the camera, but yeah, that is burning away now. Okay, so that's now heating, allowing the heat to rise and beginning the vaporization process. Once we're happy that it's up to temperature, which will probably be roughly as the fuel's just about to burn out, I will turn this knob here, which will pressurize it, and then give it a few pumps on the pumping handle. That should start the process going, and then after that it should just self-sustain as a blow lamp. These things have fallen out of favour quite a lot because they are bloody dangerous things. Now most blow lamps, torches of this type, just use gas canisters, because you can simply switch them on, light them, switch them off, put them down, safe. There isn't all this liquid fuel all over the shop. I don't know whether I should show you how dramatic it could be if you get this lighting sequence wrong. I tell you what, we'll do it. Okay, so if you pressurize it before it's ready, not working. Okay, we get that, which is what we don't want. You see? See, bloody dangerous things. Right, so what should happen now, I don't know if you can see the squirt of liquid paraffin that's coming out of there. I don't know if you can see, but the nozzle's starting to glow red now.